Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn quadratic equations together, step by step. This chapter is all about quadratic equations. We'll write them in standard form, solve them by factorization and by the quadratic formula, and use the discriminant to tell how many real roots exist. A quadratic equation has the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, with a not 0. Its roots are the values of x that make it true, the same as the zeros of the quadratic graph. Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 by factorizing into x minus 2 times x minus 3. Setting each factor to 0 gives the roots x equals 2 and x equals 3. When factorizing is hard, the quadratic formula always works. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. For 2x squared minus 4, x minus 3, a is 2, b is minus 4, c is minus 3. The formula gives 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 24 over 4. That is 4 plus or minus root 40 over 4. The expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant. If it's positive, there are two distinct real roots. If 0, two equal roots. If negative, no real roots at all. For x squared minus 4, x plus 4, the discriminant is 16 minus 16, which is 0. So the equation has two equal roots. In fact, a repeated root at x equals 2. To recap, write the quadratic in standard form, then solve by factorizing or with the formula, and the discriminant b squared minus 4ac tells you whether there are 2, 1, or no real roots. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.